This talk is I'm fascinating with the neuromodulation. And one of the major issues with the spine is difficult to treat. And we will tell you why, and why I think that the neuromodulation it can be the answer for this problem. So this is the overview of my talk. We're going to talk about how big the problem of back pain and the current state of management of pain. And we were going to talk briefly about one of the work that we done using spinal cord stimulation and management of called virgin back. Patient never had surgery before. And other studies which come after, and the last one is we talk about MODULATE study, which is that's NHR-funded study.